The first question is, the Big Bang Theory is related to which of the following? A. Continental drift. B. Origin of the universe. C. Origin of Himalayas. D. Eruption of volcanoes. The correct option is option B, origin of the universe. And for your kind information, the Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological model for the universe from the earliest known periods through its subsequent large-scale evolution. Question number 2. The Milky Way is classified as A. Spiral galaxy, B. Electrical galaxy, C. Irregular galaxy, D. Round galaxy. The correct option is option A, spiral galaxy. And for your kind information, the Milky Way galaxy is disc-shaped, and because spiral galaxies were disc-shaped, the Milky Way was probably a spiral galaxy. Question number 3. What does the color of star indicates? A. Distance from the sun, B. Lighting or glow, C. Distance from the earth, D. Temperature. The correct option is option B, temperature. And for your kind information, the color of a star is an indicator of its brightness, temperature, and age. Stars are classified into groups called spectral types, from oldest to youngest and hottest to coldest. Question number 4. What is the time taken by the sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy? A. 2.5 crore years, B. 10 crore years, C. 25 crore years, D. 50 crore years. The correct option is option C, 25 crore years. And for your kind information, the sun completes an almost circular orbit of the center of the galaxy about 25 crore years. Question number 5. Which of the following concept related to the limit beyond stars suffer internal collapse? A. Chandrasekhar limit, B. Eddington limit, C. Hoyle limit, D. Floor limit. The correct option is option A, Chandrasekhar limits. And for your kind information, the Chandrasekhar's limit is the maximum mass possible for a star, such that it remains a stable white dwarf star. The concept envisages that the mass above which electron degeneracy pressure in the star's core is insufficient to balance the star's own gravitational self-attraction. If the mass of the star greater than the limits, then it's undergo internal collapse. Question number 6. Which of the following celestial phenomena occurs due to stars? A. Ozone, B. Black hole, C. Rainbow, D. Comet. The correct option is option A, ozone. And for your kind information, a black hole is a region of space-time exhibiting such strong gravitational effects that nothing, not even particles and electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from inside it. Question number 7. Who among the following propounded the theory of black hole? A. C.V. Raman, B. H.J. Bhabha, C. S. Chandrasekhar, D. Hargobind Khurana. The correct option is option C, S. Chandrasekhar. And for your kind information, the term black hole was coined by American astronomer John Wheeler. Chandrasekhar worked on a wide variety of physical problems in his lifetime, contributing to the contemporary understanding of stellar structure, white dwarfs, stellar dynamics, stochastic process, radiative transfer, the quantum theory of the hydrogen atom, hydrodynamic and hydrodynamic stability, turbulence, equilibrium, and the stability of ellipsoidal figures of equilibrium, general relativity, mathematical theory of black holes, and theory of colliding gravitational waves. Question number 8. Assertion A. A black hole is an astronomical entity that cannot be seen by telescope. Reason or the gravitational field on a black hole is so strong that it does not allow even light to escape. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. D. Both A and R is not true. The correct option is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Question number 9. Which of the following planet of the solar system is associated with Goldilocks zone? A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Mercury. The correct option is option B. Earth. And for your kind information, the Earth has Goldilocks zone, which means it is neither too hot nor too cold, where all conditions are available for life to sustain. Question number 10. Which is the brightest star outside the solar system? A. Sirius, B. Proxima Centauri, C. Alpha Centauri, B. Beta Centauri. The correct option is option A. Sirius. And for your kind information, the brightest star outside the solar system is Sirius. The closest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri, followed by Alpha Centauri. Question number 11. Which planet is known as the watery planet? A. Mercury, B. Earth, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. The correct option is option B. Earth. And for your kind information, if you look down at our planet from outer space, most of what you see is water. 71% of the planet's surface is covered by ocean, and it is because of this that the Earth is sometimes called the water planet. Only about 3/10 of our globe is covered with land. Question number 12. In order of their distance from the Sun, which of the following planets lie between Mars and Uranus? A. Earth and Jupiter, B. Jupiter and Saturn, C. Saturn and Earth, D. Saturn and Neptune. The correct option is option B. Jupiter and Saturn. And for your kind information, Jupiter and Saturn are located between Mars and Uranus. Question number 13. Messenger satellite has been launched by NASA for the study of A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. The correct option is option A. Mercury. And for your kind information, Messenger was a robotic spacecraft sent by NASA. The name is a reference to the messenger deity of the same name from Roman mythology. Was a NASA, a robotic spacecraft that orbited the planet Mercury between 2011 and 2015. The probe was launched aboard a Delta II rockets in August 2004 to study Mercury chemical composition, geology, and magnetic field. Question number 14. Milky Way galaxy was first seen by A. Galileo, B. Merton Smith, C. Marconi, D. Newton. The correct option is option A. Galileo. And for your kind information, Galileo Galilei first resolved the band of light into individual stars with his telescope in 1610. Until the early 1920s, most astronomers thought that the Milky Way contained all the stars in the universe. Question number 15. Halley's Comet appears once in a period of A. 24 years, B. 32 years, C. 76 years. The correct option is option C. 76 years. And for your kind information, Halley's Comet will next appear in the night sky in the year 2062. It orbits the Sun every 76 years. So this is the time between appearance. Halley's Comet was recorded by Edmund Halley in 1682. It was seen again in 1758, 1835, 1910 and 1986. Question number 16. The radiant energy of the Sun is transmitted in the form of A. short waves, B. long waves, C. particles, D. none of these. The correct option is option A. short waves. And for your kind information, radiant energy is the energy of electromagnetic waves. It is a form of energy that can travel through space. For example, we receive the heat from the Sun, which is located very far from the Earth. Via radiation, the Sun heat is not transmitted through any solid medium, but through a vacuum. They are short waves. Question number 17. Why stars looks more in west than east? A. Universe is moving from east to west. B. Earth is moving around the Sun. C. Earth is moving from east to east. D. Earth is moving from west to east. The correct option is option D. Earth is moving from west to east. And for your kind information, as Earth moves rotates from west to east, so stars appears to be more in west than east. So when we say that stars move, it could be because of the earth, because of their own movements, or because of both. The earth takes roughly 24 hours to spin on its axis, moving from east to west. Question number 18. Sirius, the brightest star outside of the solar system, is also called A. Cat star, B. Dog star, C. Fox star, D. Lion star. The correct option is option B. Dog star. For your kind information, the brightest star in the sky is Sirius, also known as the Dog star, or more officially Alpha Canis Majors, for its position in the constellation Canis Major. Sirius is a binary star dominated by a luminous main sequence star. Sirius is with an apparent magnitude of -1.46 point. Question number 19. The largest of the planet is A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. The correct option is option A. Jupiter. And for your kind information, the largest planet in our solar system by far is Jupiter, which beats out all the other planets in both mass and volume. Jupiter's mass is more than 300 times that of Earth, and its diameter at 1,40,000 km is about 11 times Earth's diameter. Question number 20. Who of the following discovered the laws of planetary orbits? A. Galileo Galilei, B. Nicholas Copernicus, C. John Kepler, D. Isaac Newton. The correct option is option C. John Kepler. And for your kind information, John Kepler published his first two laws about planetary motion in 1609, having found them by analyzing the astronomical observation of Tycho Brahe. Question number 21. Which of the following is called blue planet? A. Saturn, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Mars. The correct option is option B. Earth. And for your kind information, planet Earth has been called the blue planet due to the abundant water on its surface. Here on Earth, we take liquid water from granted. After all, our bodies are mostly made of water. However, liquid water is a rare commodity in our solar system. Question number 22. The four largest planets of the solar system is descending order are A. Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn and Uranus, B. Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune, C. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, D. Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn and Neptune. The correct option is option C. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And for your kind information, according to the size of the planet, the descending order will be Jupiter largest planet, Saturn 10th largest, Uranus 3rd largest and Neptune 4th largest. Question number 23. The mass of Jupiter is almost 1/10 of the mass of the Sun, B. 1,000th of the mass of the Sun, C. 100th of the mass of the Sun and D. half of the mass of the Sun. The correct option is option B. 1,000 of the mass of the Sun. And for your kind information, being the largest planet of solar system, its mass is 1,000th of the mass of the Sun. Jupiter, the giant among giants, have enough mass to make 318 Earth. Its diameter is about 11 times that of Earth and about 1/10 that of the Sun. Question number 24. Which of the planets is nearest to the Earth? A. Jupiter, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Mars. The correct option is option B. Venus. And for your kind information, when Venus is in the middle of the Sun and Earth, it is at its closest point to Earth. During this period, Venus would be the closest planet to Earth. However, there are times when Mars is actually the closest planet. Question number 25. Which planet is known as morning star? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. The correct option is option B. Venus. And for your kind information, Venus, because it seems in addition to being known as the evening stars, Venus was also called the morning star because it could be seen for a few hours before the sun grew too bright. The planet actually becomes brightest before the sunrise or just after sunset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks.